We're back now with Angie Horkin for the Wisconsin Beef Council, and you've got another tasty recipe for us today.
I do. High protein.
Which is what our focus has been all this month.
Great vegetables and a lean cut of beef. So 1 3-ounce serving of beef has 10 essential nutrients and vitamins in it. With,
love that.
Of course, protein being one of the main ones, but zinc, iron, B12, B6. A lot of great nutrients in a small serving of beef. So serving size, I like to talk about that this time of year because if you're really looking to eat maybe more more healthy, more nutritious, exactly. Watch your serving size. So a serving of beef is 4 ounces raw or 3 ounces cooked. So it's like the size of a deck of cards.
Okay.
Or we used to say an iPhone or a cell phone, but maybe a small one, not the big ones,
yeah.
right? But yeah, and now this recipe is just called our steak and vegetables with a homemade chimichurri.
Yum. And
the recipe on the website on beeftips.com calls for 4 tenderloin fillets. I didn't buy tenderloin. I just had tenderloin in December for New Year's,
lately, yep.
So I just did a top sirloin. So you can substitute any beef cut, really, that you want to into this recipe. That doesn't need to be marinated. So, and 2, look for loin and round in the name for lean cuts. But a lot of your rounds need to be marinated because they are so lean, they're not tender.
Yes,
but the loins are tender. So tenderloin, sirloin, like I have top sirloin, loin or strip, all of those qualify as lean.
Okay.
So I did 1 pound of top sirloin, and I just did it in the skillet with a little salt and pepper on it, and I stripped it up. I just warmed it up here, but that's really all I did because it cooks so fast. It's so easy. I just added a little salt and pepper, and then I'm serving it with roasted beets and roasted sweet potatoes.
Oh, there we go.
So I did 1 large sweet potato, peeled it and did about 1/4-inch slice, and then a couple beets, peeled them and sliced them too and put them on parchment lined tray, about 25 minutes in a 400-degree oven with a little bit of good extra virgin olive oil, a little salt, a little pepper.
Oh, that looks good.
And we're serving this family style, right? So you got your veggies, you've got this whole top sirloin, 4 servings here, and then the homemade chimichurri. So it starts with a base of kale, unsalted pistachios, chopped fresh parsley, a little olive oil, lemon juice, some red wine vinegar, some garlic, of course. Just do that up in a food processor, a little black pepper at the end. Just a fun, fresh, really great way. The chimichurri is a great way to add so much flavor with not a lot of fat because you've just got fresh vegetables and ingredients in there.
And I love the colors on this tray, too. It's good to have all the colors.
It is. We eat the rainbow.
We do.
Say 26.6 grams of protein per serving. And then the full nutritionals for all of our recipes are on beeftips.com with the recipe. So if you're looking for more macronutrients and all that, check the website out. Click on As Seen on TV, you'll find this recipe. Plus a lot of other protein-packed, well-balanced recipes. Perfect for January.
I was going to say, try to keep those New Year's resolutions going.
New Year's resolutions going.
Awesome. Well, Angie Horkin with Wisconsin Beef Council. Angie, thank you so much.
You're
Appreciate
welcome.
it.